The world is witnessing incredible growth in IoT, adding sensors and connectivity to all kinds of devices, including transportation, factories, wearable devices, and smart home applications. The data generated by these devices is also driving the need for increased processing to bring AI to the edge. Combined, these factors are pushing designers to increase performance while reducing size and power consumption. Winbond's HyperRAM is optimized for these applications and provides design simplicity, space saving, and low power operation while delivering the performance needed in these applications. HyperRAM operates on the Hyperbus interface and requires only 13 signal pins. This results in a much simpler design compared to competing memory technologies that require anywhere from 31 to 41 signals in legacy DRAM. Designers can also save space with HyperRAM. The lower signal count reduces routing area, and HyperRAM is offered in compact WLCSP and 24 or 49 ball BGA packages, further reducing the design footprint. HyperRAM is also an ultra-low power device, providing the power savings needed in wearables and other battery-powered devices. HyperRAM not only meets or beats competing DRAM options in active mode, but it offers lower standby power consumption and a hybrid sleep mode that consumes just 35 microwatts while retaining data. Winbond offers HyperRAM 2.0 devices from 64 to 512 megabits with a by 8 interface. HyperRAM 2.0e expands to a by 16 interface, providing designers the option to double their memory bandwidth or reduce clock rates for even greater power savings while maintaining a simpler and smaller design. Winbond HyperRAM is offered in 32 to 512 megabit densities. Parts are offered in WLCSP, 24 BGA, 49 BGA, and known good die, and automotive versions are available.